there, welcome back. In this brief video, we will mostly talk about inflation and population growth. We make use of the compound interest formula in both situations to determine the solution. As I said in the previous video about hire purchase, there we use the simple interest formula, but here we use the compound interest formula. It is very important, don't forget this. Let's do a couple of questions now. Question number 1. A DVD player is advertised for 900 Rand cash. The average rate of inflation, did you see that word inflation? Okay, then you have to use compound interest formula here. Don't use simple interest formula here. Okay, so the average rate of inflation is 6.65% per annum. Annum means per year. What will the DVD cost in 3 years' time? Okay, so inflation, so you have to use compound interest formula. That's it, we are done. Just write the formula, substitute and just do it. That's it. So the formula is, so you are calculating future value, isn't it? That is A is equal to P bracket 1 plus I to the power N. What is P? The initial amount, that is 900 bracket 1 plus I is what? 6,65 divided by 100. It is going to be 0,0665 to the power N. N is 3 years. Okay, then use the calculator. The answer will be 1091,75 Rand. So this is the answer. So it's a very easy question. The only thing that you have to remember here, you have to use compound interest formula. Okay, especially inflation and population growth. Question 2. If the average rate of inflation for the past few years was 7.3% and water and electricity account is around 1,425 on average, what would you expect to pay in 6 years' time? Here also inflation is there, so compound interest formula you have to use it. Okay, so your expectation in future. So here also, like the previous question, you have to find the value of A. So just write the formula. A is equal to P bracket 1 plus I to the power N, where P is the initial amount, that is 1,425 bracket 1 plus I is 7,3 divided by 100, so it's going to be 0,073 to the power N. N is how many years? 6 years. So N is 6 years. So just use the calculator, you will get the answer. Rand 2,174. 2,174,77. So this is the answer. So after 6 years, this is the money that you expect to pay. Because the inflation is there, those are money that is going to increase. Okay, so that's how it is. Let's do one more question. Question number 3. In 2005, the population of South Africa is 42,680,000. The average increase in the population is 5.23% per annum. What would South Africa's population be by 2010? Okay, here they are talking about the population. Here also we are using the very same formula that you used in the previous questions, because it's population. Okay, it is about population. So what is the formula? A is equal to, so you are calculating something in the future, so A is equal to, what is the formula? A is equal to P times 1 plus I to the power N. The initial value is this one, isn't it? That is 42,680,000. 1 plus I is 5,23 divided by 100, that is 0,0523. You can use the calculator to get the value of I if you have a doubt in that. Then N is what? Yeah, from 2005 up until 2010 means how many years? 5 years. Isn't it? Okay. Apply this one in the calculator. Answer is 55,070,911 is going to be the answer. So that is the population value. Alright guys, this is the homework for this video. Question number 4. Mrs. Jackson plans to visit her family in America. In 2024, the trip will cost 23,510 rand. How much will it cost in 2030 if the average inflation rate is 6.1% per annum? It's a very simple question, just try yourself. Okay guys, I am stopping this small video here. In my next video, you will see timeline, how to use timeline to solve certain problems. Thank you.